Kia ora koutou katoa, no mai hoki mai ki Pukeroa Pāoho.
We've got some awesome updates from last week to share with you, including a special haerenga and an international visit to our kura.
Let's get straight into it.
First up, Room 12 and Room 14 went on a haerenga to the Rotorua Landfill and Recycling Centre.
Both classes have been working really hard as the kaitiaki of our kura's rubbish, helping to look after how we manage waste at school.
This trip gave them the chance to see what happens to our rubbish and recycling and why it's so important to reduce waste and care for our environment.
Hi little buddies! Kia ora! Kia ora ko Robinere aho! Hihia mātou!
Ka haere mātou I te ruahara.
Yeah!
Anei nā tamariki e hikaka katoa ana ki te haere atu kihea.
Ki te ruahara!
Ka pai.
Plastic bags flying high, tumbleweeds of junk pile, seagulls choking on a straw, a real messed up picture I saw. Yeah, it's a mess, a real
Anei te awa o tū repo repo ki te ruapara tawhito o Rotorua. Right, hara mai koutou, me whakawhiti.
Kia ora kōrua. Ko waitoingwa?
Maria,
Ko waitoingwa?
Aniwanyo,
And what have we got over here?
sediment pond, and it collects rainwater and sediment water, and if it overfills, then it flows into our river down there.
Beautiful. Thank you very much, ladies.
Nah, that can be so good. There might be bacteria in there because birds come and hang out on this pond and then they poo in it.
True. Oh, look, there we go. Hey! Okay, here we are. We are approaching the Rotorua landfill. Exciting.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. That's the anthem, that's the cycle. Our planet's crying, can't you hear? Let's make it sparkle year after year. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Break the habit, break the cycle. Brain that drives us having a day. Making mountains high makes you wanna sit and cry. Yeah, it's a shame, a real big shame. Gotta fix it up, play a new game. Reduce, reuse, recycle. That's the anthem, that's the cycle. Our planet's crying, can't you hear? Let's make it sparkle year after year. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Break the habit, break the cycle. Rain it draws us up in the day. You Bronzo. Planet's crying, can't you hear? Let's make it sparkle year after year. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Break the habit, break the cycle. Rain it drives us having a day.
Room 12 and 14, awesome mahi taking care of our kura and our taio.
Next up, we had a very special visit from Native American tribe, the Navajo people.
They came to our kura to see how we embrace and celebrate our culture here at Rotorua Primary.
It was a great opportunity to share our learning, connect across cultures, and learn from one another.
How are you liking it in New Zealand so far?
I love it here. This is my second trip here, and we've been to another kura school up in Auckland. I think it was Kaupapa Maori o Nga Kuru One Kupa. I'm sorry, sometimes I say that. This is my second trip. The first trip, I actually loved it so much that when I got to the airport, hope I'm not like getting myself in trouble, but I was standing there with my luggage and I thought, I'm just gonna walk off. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna find a visa. I'm gonna find an immigration office. I'm gonna do something. I want to find a job here, do something so I can stay here and experience it for a little bit longer. Not forever, but so that was my thought. But then, you know, reasoning came to me. My headband snapped me back in and thought I have to go home. So I went home, but this is my second trip and I absolutely love it here.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
What is your name?
So when you ask me what my name is, first and foremost, I identify my clans because that's my identity as a Navajo woman, and my English name comes last, and I am Denise Yazzie Jensen.
Okay, and what are you wearing today?
I'm wearing also traditional clothing, and in the form that we're wearing it today with the modern materials is how we represent and carry ourselves. Our grandmothers with the 3-tier skirts and the velveteen tops. I'm wearing actually a set of jewelry that my brother made for me, and so this is called a squash blossom necklace, and the ends of it is split like a squash plant. Right, and then it has a turquoise and stone in it. The turquoise for us is our protection, is for our protector stone, and my earrings as well. And normally I would be wearing a TS, my hair tied up in a hair bun, but my hair is not long enough to put it in a hair bun, so I just put it up today.
Okay, thank you so much.
I want to report that you want to join it. You're just moving your wrist side. Yeah, so then you'll up, you guys ready? Then twist. Alright, ready? Go. Yeah, like that. Or you just can just
Okay, what is your name? Okay, and what was the reason that you guys came here?
To learn about how you embrace your culture and to get to know like how you guys implement it in your everyday school life, and that how it could inspire us so we can bring it back home.
To our visitors for taking the time to come and share this experience with us.
This will be our last news broadcast for the term, as next week we'll be busy preparing for our school production.
But don't worry, the cameras will still be rolling.
We'll be capturing behind the scenes footage, so make sure you tune in next week to see what happens behind the curtain.
It's going to be an exciting week and we can't wait to share it with you.
A big mihi to everyone who featured in today's stories and to all of you for supporting. Pukeroa Pāoho.
Wait, don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel so our whānau can stay connected with everything happening at our kura.
Baby ora, kia pai tō koutou wiki, and we'll see you next time on Pukeroa Pāoho.